Our new graver polishing films put a mirror polish on your gravers better and more affordably than the expensive ceramic wheels on the market. We have two types of polishing film discs, one for high-speed steel and one for carbide gravers. The graver polishing film for high-speed steel is less expensive and does a great job with high-speed steel gravers, but it does not polish carbide gravers very well. The graver polishing film for carbide polishes both high-speed steel and carbide, but it's more expensive, and the high-speed steel gravers reduce the life of this film much faster than just the carbide gravers do. If you use both high-speed steel and carbide gravers, you should use the film that is appropriate to that graver. You can apply these films to either a new aluminum 5-inch wheel or the underside of a wheel you already have. Make sure the underside of the wheel is solid like this and not cut out like this. I like to use a 1200 grit wheel to mount my polishing film, so I can just turn it over and have both final polishing grits on the same wheel. First, take off any stickers and clean the debris from the bottom of your wheel. You'll want to make sure the wheel is smooth. If your wheel has deep scratches or flaws, the film will not work well. Second, clean the wheel with alcohol or acetone to remove any grease or oil. To make the film easier to remove when it's time to change the film, lightly spray the wheel with WD-40. Completely wipe off the wheel with a paper towel. Then, recoat the wheel with WD-40 again. Completely wipe off the wheel a second time with a paper towel. What you're trying to do is leave the lightest possible even coating of the WD-40 on the wheel. If you skip this step, you'll still be able to peel the film off the wheel. However, the longer the film is stuck to the wheel, the more difficult it will be to remove. So coating it with WD-40 each time before you apply the film will save you time in the future. Peel the backing off your graver polishing film disc and center it over the wheel. Press from the center of the disc outward to get a good adhesion and remove any bubbles from under the surface of the film. If you have a powered hone where the center sticks up above the wheel, take an X-Acto knife and remove the center material, making room for the center post spindle. Near the center of the wheel, take a Sharpie marker and write either carbide or high-speed steel, so you can easily tell which kind of film it is in the future. When you want to replace a used film, peel off the film from the wheel. Graver polishing films are available at engraver.com.